So I start by applying some primer. In this case I've used Amigo One Shot Grey. After the primer applied, I've used RC001 Black to paint the instrument panel. After applying the black color, I have started picking up the color on the dial edges. For that, I have the thin brush in aluminium color. I have applied the paint with almost a dry tip and I have brushed the trims with the brush sideways. After being happy with the results of the trims, it was now time to paint our dials. So to do that, I have used Tamiya XF2 white and a O brush, and again with a very carefully and a very thin tip I start drawing the dials into it. I then use Vallejo red just to add some color switches to the panel and make it less monotone. Once I was happy with the results, then was time to add a ultra matte varnish coat to it. Once the matte coat was dried, I have carefully applied a drop of AK Gauze Shining Enhancer with a thin brush on the inside of the tiles. This will allow me to recreate the illusion of glass. And there we go guys, the final result. Hope you guys find this tip useful and see you all around. Thank you.